Yeah, you. This is one question.
One food.
What's the first? And you got about one question. It's one feature.
When it's one question.
One feature. Each up is a thing. You come bad at me.
Listen, man, wait till you see
Each up.
Wait till you see it.
Huh? No, Mama, there's something else. So this is important as well. These are our idea cycle of 2026.
Right.
Yeah, you.
And also, I wanted to put the year that you started in the industry, please.
1631.
Eh?
My designer is here already. I don't remember.
You don't remember?
No. Do I need to put that?
It's very important
All
to
right.
me.
It's about 19. I did my 91. I'm not saying 91. I did
Before
my first
1991.
91. What's it? I don't know.
Okay.
I think it's before
Okay.
that. I don't know.
So if it's before, but you don't remember right now, shut up once.
Because I don't know my whole.
We get it. Hey.
Thank you so much.
All
Yes,
right.
I've been watching you from a child.
All
And
right.
to be here in your
All right.
presence, I
That's
love
on dinosaur.
No, it's not about that. Because what I'm doing right now, I'm getting all of the great entertainers, bureaucratic people, and people that have paid their dues to Jamaican culture on this flag. And you have done so. So I need your signature. And what I'm doing right now is for the future to see.
If you say so.
You have done so much, and I am proud of you. I am proud of you.
Tell them the show started. And you what's up there?
Yes, it's him up there. The fireside talk.
I think he
them
might
soon
be
come down.
performing again. Yeah, so I have to change.
So the one question is, if you had one thing to say to Jamaican people, what would it be?
Love, peace, unity, make we live good. Because we are global. When them don't know about no other Caribbean island, them know about Jamaica. So make we live good.
That is it. That is it.
That is it.